how to rotate video in Final Cut Pro. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply select the video that you are looking to rotate, and after that on the right hand side panel just scroll down and here you get the option to rotate. Simply click over here and after that you can simply rotate it according to the way that you are looking for. Just simply type 180 in case if you are looking for the flip, and 360 it is going to be the same, 0 going to be same as well. And there's one more way. Simply click over here, then select from here, and then you can flip it this way as well. And this is how you rotate videos in Final Cut Pro. There is one more way, which is by clicking over here. This is how. And I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.